With the support of local landowners and funding from the RDCK's Local Conservation Fund and Fortis BC, the Slocan River Streamkeepers implemented the 2025 Slocan River Riparian Restoration Project on 2 properties along the river north of Winlaw. The goal of the project was to create wildlife habitat while at the same time preventing or minimizing future bank erosion along the Slocan River. This project is also helping restore the cottonwood riparian ecosystem that provides crucial habitat for a wide range of plants and animal species. It's an ecosystem at risk in BC's southern interior. Over 450 native trees and 500 dormant willow and cottonwood cuttings were planted. There are at least 2 active beaver bank lodges and lots of evidence of beaver activity in the area. The new trees need to be protected, so a combination of tree protectors and beaver fencing was successfully installed. A generous amount of wood chips and some large woody debris were used to mulch some of the trees. The wood chips will hold moisture, slow down grass competition, and build soil fertility by feeding microorganisms as they break down. The large woody debris will also create habitat for small critters. To help create short-term wildlife habitat, bird nesting boxes were installed along the river. 8 nesting boxes for tree swallows and chickadees, and 2 for species at risk, for the western screech owl and Lewis's woodpeckers. In the fall, the nesting boxes were cleaned out and occupancy success was documented. In many parts of the Slocan River, the banks are eroding quickly, often creating high levels of turbidity, which fill up parts of the river with sand and sediment. This creates a wider and more shallow river in the summer, warms up the water, and creates conditions that are not suitable for fish and other aquatic wildlife. By bringing back native trees and shrubs along the riverbanks, habitat is created for a wide diversity of species. As the trees get larger and create shade, they help cool down air and water temperatures, which benefit fish during the hot summers. The trees eventually become habitat for fish and other species when they fall down. The Slocan River is used by a large number of community members and visitors across the seasons for tubing, canoeing, kayaking, and swimming. With support from the community, the Slocan River Streamkeepers have implemented over 50 restoration projects, which includes 3 wetland restorations along the river. The benefits of this project for the community includes contributing to a more healthy and fully functioning riparian ecosystem. Everyone benefits from healthy river ecosystems.